So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. You want to scroll down until we find Windows Update, double click on it. You want to make the startup type disabled and then click on apply. Now you want to click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. You want to keep this open. Now for the next step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. Double click on it and then click on Windows. You want to find software distribution. We're going to scroll down until we find software distribution. Double click on that and then double click on download. You want to delete everything in this folder. Do Ctrl A and then click on delete. You want to tick the box, do this for current items and then continue. This should now delete everything in this folder, and we can now close this. For the next step, you want to double click on Windows Update. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to tick Net Framework 3.5. Now you want to expand the box and you want to tick both of these, Windows Communication Foundation. So you want to tick these three things right here and then click on OK. You want to select let Windows Update download the files for you. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been downloaded, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.